Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to share your TikTok video on Facebook story. So let's get started. At first, let's get into TikTok app. Now go to the video you want to share and click on this three dots over here. We can see this Facebook icon over here. Simply tap on this. Now here we can see public written over here. Simply tap on this and click on only me. We are doing this because we are creating a post for now. Now click on post. So now get into Facebook. Now we can see a post is created. No one will be able to see since we have added this post on only me. Now tap on share. Here we can see your story written over here. Simply tap on this. Create the post as per your need. Edit the story as per your need and click on share. So it is finally shared. And finally, if you want to delete this post, click on these three dots and click on move to recycle bin and click on move. So it's done. Now the story is finally shared. So this is all we can do to share a TikTok video on Facebook story. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.